the example on the document that you have is 2x plus 8 equals 23. Okay, so this is an equation. Okay, and we're going to use a bar model to help us solve this equation. So at the end, we're aiming for x equals something. X equals a number. That's what it means by to solve. Okay, so we've got two x's, so I'm going to draw two boxes that are the same size. So that's x and that's x. We've got two of them. Add 8, so I'm going to add on another bar, and that's equal to 8. So there's my 2x, add 8. Just there, 2 x's, add 8. And that is equal to, so it's the same as 23. So I know that whole thing is equal to 23. Okay, I know that they're equal because it's got an equal sign in between. Okay, I just want to be left with x's. So I know I can get rid of 8 from there, but I've also got to get rid of 8 from there as well. So I'll be left with 2 x's still. Okay, but if I'm going to cross that 8 out, I need to take away 8 from that 23 as well. And 23 take away 8 is 15. So I know that what I've got left here is going to be 15. Okay, but that's 2 x's. And remember we said solve is find the value of 1x. So instead I need to split 15 in half because I only want 1x. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Okay, so that gives me that x, just one box of x, is equal to 7.5. Okay, if we want to do that algebraically, then we can do, so using the bar models really, here we've got 2x, add 8 equals 23. And then we took away 8 from there and from 23. So we're going to take away 8 from both sides and we were left with 2 x's equals 15. And then we divided by 2 both sides, so we were left with x equals 7.5. Okay, so we'll do another one, we'll do a different one. So 5b plus 20 equals 100. Okay, so 5b plus 20 equals 100. So I'm going to draw 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they're each b's. So there's my 5 b's, and I'm going to add on 20. Don't know how long that is, it's just long enough, and I'm going to say that that's 20. So there's my 5b add 20, and that is equal to, so that same length of bar is equal to 100. Okay, so that bit is showing that 5b plus 20 equals 100. But I've got to get rid of this 20 so I can get my b's on my own. But if I take off that 20 there, I've got to take off 20 down here. So I've got to do 100 take 20 as well. So if I take 20 off of there, I'm just left with my 5 b's. And if I take 20 off of 100, I'm just left with 80. Okay, so my current picture, all I'm left with is 5 b's. So I've got my 5 b's. And I'm left with 80. Okay, I want to find the value of 1b, not 5 b's. So I want to split that 80 into 5. So I need to do 80 divided by 5. So 80 divided by 5. You can use calculator. 5 into 50 is 10, and then 5 into 30 is 6, so it's 16. So each of these boxes would be 16. Okay, so we end up with that 1b, one box, is equal to 16. So over here we know that b is equal to 16. Okay, we'll do one more. So this time we are going to do a take away. So we've got 5b take away 20 equals 100. Okay, and we're going to draw our boxes. So 5 boxes, 5 B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B, 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 B. Okay, take away 20. So I'm going to take off 20 here. Take away 20 is equal to 100. So this part in here left over is 100. Okay, and I can see that that B add that B add that B add that B add that B is equal to this whole bar. But that whole bar is 100 add 20. So I can change that and I can just say that that's 120. Okay, instead of writing 100 separately to 20, I can just join them together and say 120. So here we add 5b, take away 20 equals 100. And now we've got 5b's are equal to 120. Okay, but we want to find 1b. Okay, so we need to split 120 into 5. So we need to do 120 divided by 5. So we need to split 120 into 5, which is 24. So B is equal to 24. Okay. So have a go at the questions on the bottom of your homework sheet, or the bottom of your lesson sheet, okay, and see how you get on, and you can always message me if you need some more help, okay.